is my review of the Shark Rocket vacuum cleaner. I've owned this for about a month now, so just my personal experience. Number one, the cons. I don't like the fact that you have to take this apart to empty it. You have to press this tab right here, the door releases, and then, I mean, it does go together fairly easy, but I don't like the fact that I have to, you know, take that apart. Number two, I don't like the fact that I have to take it apart to get it to, not necessarily to charge, but this is how they plan for you to store it. It's like that. So every time I want to use it, and it plugs in here, it doesn't have a hanging charging base like a lot of my other vacuums have had, which I really prefer. So every time I get it, I have to unplug it. I have to put this together. Sometimes my kids get confused on whether it goes like this or this, and then everybody's struggling with it. You can try to store it like that, but it's top heavy. So if you don't get it just right, it's not going to store unless you've got it leaned up against something. So that's my second qualm. My third qualm, third qualm is this. This gets clogged very easily. And the minute it gets anything in there that clogs it up, it won't pick stuff up. Or you'll vacuum and then it just starts spitting stuff back out again right after you turn it off. Let me show you what I mean by that. So here I've got a small pile of stuff. If it will focus. Focus. Okay, this is just some dirt and dust, a little bit of cat litter, tiny bit of just linty type of fuzz, not real heavy fuzz. Anything that an animal owner is going to have, right? And this is supposed to be an animal vacuum. So let's see if it'll do it. So I'm turning it on. This first setting is vacuum, bare floors. This is vacuum, hardwood floors or carpet. So back to the bare floor setting. So I'm just going to run over it. Picking up decently okay, but you can see it pulls some of the cat litter around. And I'm not sure if that's going to clog or not, but so some things like this under here, it will not get to that. And that's just simple dust and cat litter and stuff. Here is where it's pushed it back into a pile instead of picking it up. So if you come around the back side of something, it won't pick it up. It just pushes it like into a line, and then you have to come back again and try to get it from the other direction. But the reason, so that actually looked like it picked up okay, but I wanted to show you is because I have kids. And if my kids vacuum up the simplest thing, like that clog of dirt or a folded up Band-Aid or something like that, it immediately clogs the machine up. And so I don't think I would buy it again. I believe I paid $129.99 for this on Black Friday. And yeah, I just see it's dropping a little bit. I just don't believe, there, see, it's starting to drop, which means that little bit of dust that I picked up, a little bit of dander is in there. And so I'm having to go back again. And yes, it does have the, see, it does have
Okay, here's my shark. I just bought it on July 9th, 2024. It's on the charger because I just used it. I will update it in a few months. A lot of people say it quits. Hopefully not. I love it. It does have great suction. I don't know what everybody's saying it doesn't, but it's charging.
You believe mommy? Oh no, it fucked up. You believe mommy the most? Oh, thank you very much.